Welcome to my channel. How to install the Aqara Door Lock U200. Unbox the Aqara U200 kit and check all components. Install the Aqara Home App on your smartphone. Make sure your door's lock is compatible with the U200. Attach the lock body to your existing deadbolt using the provided bracket or adhesive. Insert the batteries into the lock unit as per the instructions. Open the Aqara app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Aqara U200 and follow the pairing steps via Bluetooth or an Aqara hub. Calibrate the lock by rotating it manually when the app instructs. Set up unlocking options like Fingerprint PIN code mobile app or NFC. Test the lock a few times to make sure it opens and closes correctly.